You've heard the whispers, haven't you? In the grand, dramatic saga of Tesla, there is one phantom product, one car that has been more anticipated, more debated, and more pivotal than any other. You might know it as the Model 2. Analysts have floated names like Model Q. Inside the company, they whisper the code name Redwood. But to the world, it's a legend, the $25,000 Tesla. But that assumption, right there, is where so many people get it wrong. The price is just the beginning. It's the headline, not the story. You have to understand, this is more than just a new model. This is the final, unfulfilled pillar of Elon Musk's original secret master plan. It's the strategic linchpin that decides whether Tesla truly becomes a manufacturer for the masses. The real secrets are the features Tesla has been engineering in the shadows, features that go far beyond a revolutionary price point. We're talking about a vehicle packed with game-changing secrets that make its whisper-quiet interior, advanced safety, and brilliant compact design the most important part of this entire revolution. This isn't just about a cheaper car. This is about a better car for everyone. For years, the story has been the same. High-quality electric cars are still too expensive for most people, and the affordable EVs on the market often feel like a compromise. You want the cutting-edge technology, the industry-leading safety, and the thrilling performance of a Tesla, but the price has always been a barrier. You're forced to choose. Stick with a gasoline car you don't really want, or settle for an electric vehicle that doesn't truly excite you. It's a frustrating choice between the past and a compromised future. But what if Tesla has been secretly engineering a car that changes everything? A car that's not just affordable, but packed with features you would never expect at this price. This is Tesla's next-generation vehicle, and these are its game-changing secrets. You've seen the reports swirling, with some claiming the project was shelved in favor of a dedicated robo-taxi, only for Elon Musk to deny it. This back and forth, this uncertainty, is classic Tesla, but the smoke is too thick for there to be no fire. The latest signals suggest a complex reality. The consumer car and the robo-taxi are two sides of the same coin, built on the same revolutionary platform. While timelines are notoriously flexible, with production starts now looking more like late 2026 or 2027, the pieces are moving. The revolution is coming. So let's expose everything. The first secret isn't just one feature, but the master key that unlocks everything else: a radical new manufacturing process. Most people think making a car cheaper means using flimsy plastics and less sound deadening. That's the old way. Tesla isn't just a car company, it's a manufacturing innovation company. And the biggest secret behind that legendary $25,000 price target is a production method so revolutionary, Tesla has literally called it the unboxed process. Think about it. For a century, you know how cars have been built: a single moving assembly line. A car's empty frame moves sequentially from one station to the next. Robots and workers awkwardly reach inside this big metal box to install everything. It's linear, complex, and incredibly inefficient. Tesla's plan is to fundamentally obliterate it. If the idea of a Tesla that can deliver this kind of performance gets you excited, do me a favor and hit that like button. It really helps the channel, and it lets me know you want more deep dives like this. This next secret is the one that truly defines the car's long-term value and reveals Tesla's master plan. Every single one of these cars that rolls off the line could come equipped with all the necessary hardware for full self-driving, the full suite of cameras, the powerful onboard computer, everything. This is a monumental decision. While competitors make advanced driver assist systems an expensive option, Tesla's rumored plan is to make the hardware standard. How does that work with a car targeting $25,000? You see the strategy, right? The features will likely be unlocked through software. Your base car will still come with excellent standard safety features, but the real power will be available via a subscription. This business model does two things. It keeps the initial purchase price radically low, but it also creates a recurring revenue stream for Tesla. And, more importantly, it puts the hardware for an autonomous vehicle into the hands of millions. This is the long game. As Tesla's FSD software gets better, the capabilities of every car on the road will grow. The car you buy on day one could be significantly more capable 5 years later. And the ultimate goal? The robo-taxi. The secret of Tesla's next-generation car isn't just the legendary $25,000 price target. That's just the invitation. The real secrets are far more profound. It's the unboxed manufacturing process, a revolution in efficiency that makes the price possible without compromising on quality. It's the brilliant Cybertruck-inspired design that squeezes every last mile of range from a smaller battery. It's the secret power density punch, offering everything from zippy efficiency to a potential performance bargain. It's the game-changing LFP battery technology, which promises safety, longevity, and fast charging that makes range a non-issue. And finally, it's the Trojan horse strategy of building in autonomous hardware, turning an affordable car into a software platform that gets better over time. When you combine these secrets, you get more than just a new car. You get a vehicle that fundamentally changes the market. A car that makes the cutting-edge technology, safety, and performance of a Tesla accessible to millions more people. The question is, would you buy one? What feature are you most excited about? Let me know down in the comments below. And if you want to stay up to date on every new detail as it emerges, make sure you subscribe. Thanks for watching.